Hello everyone, welcome to another video. You can watch short clips, videos in TikTok for a very good time pass, or you can show your talent by making short clips on TikTok. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to download TikTok on your phone. I'm making this video on iPhone. It's a similar process for Android users also. So here in your phone, go to App Store, or in Android Play Store, open App Store and tap on the search, and in search bar type TikTok and press search. Top result is the TikTok app. You have to tap on that and you can read everything about this app in this page. But to download, you have to tap on the cloud button next to the TikTok logo. So tap on that and the download has started. The download depends upon how fast your internet connection is. So wait a while for the app to be downloaded. So this is how you download TikTok app in your phone. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.